Welcome to the tutorial on how to install sABR on your Mac OS computer. You should have downloaded the sABR version 9.4 installer _Mac and placed it on your desktop. And once you've done that, go ahead and double click on that and it'll open up the sABR installing software. Now what you're going to need to do is put in your superuser password, and then the sABR 9.4 installer comes up, and you'll read through the license end user agreement, click on next. So what will come up is the installation options. You must choose this installation folder for Mac OS. So the sABR 9.4 must be installed under this folder, applications/ubc/sABR 9.4. So it should read applications/ubc. Then click next. And then MATLAB runtime libraries are required, and they will automatically be installed in this directory here. You can go ahead and click next. Now I've already gone ahead and installed these MATLAB runtime libraries on this computer. It will take about 700 to 800 megabytes worth of data and take a fairly long time if you've got a low speed internet, or a little bit better, about high speed internet takes about 2 to 5 minutes. So once those things have been installed, we'll perform some post installation, and more installation notes are noted here. Once you've installed all of this, you will need to send me an email at aherdman@audiospeech.ubc.ca with your MAC address. Now, it's not your Mac Apple computer, it's the MAC address, it's the Ethernet address. And there will be a video online which you can just Google that and find out how to obtain your MAC address. Once you've got that, that needs to be sent to me, and I will send back a licensing file along with a username which acts as your password so that you can run the sABR program. Okay, so once that's done, you just click Finish, and you have successfully installed sABR. So what you're going to need to do now is find that application folder in which you had sABR. So in this case, we will go to Applications, and then UBC, which is down here, and then sABR 9.4, and the application will be under the application folder, and there is the sABR 9.4. Now what you're going to need to do before you run sABR 9.4 is, you have emailed me, I will send you back the license file, and I've gone ahead and included the license file here on my desktop. That license file must be in that application folder. If it is not, sABR will not run correctly. So just copy that or move that over into that directory. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and double click on sABR, and it takes a moment or two for the program to load up. So just be patient. Now that the sABR program is loaded, a password will be required. That is the username that was provided to you in the email with the license file. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter that in here. And the next window will be the patient information. So this is a randomized generation of 2 letters, and you can put in anything that you want here. I'll just leave it as MX. And there you have it. The sABR program has started up, and it started up the EEG. And there is another video online to go through the different functions of the sABR program. So this is how to install sABR on your Mac OS. Hope you enjoyed, and go and check out the other video tutorials to how to run sABR.